Nemraj Sunda book, quick revision, part 9, Monsoon. The word monsoon has originated from Arabic word mausim, which means season. Monsoon is often referred to seasonal reversion of wind over the Indian Ocean, especially Arabian Sea. India is situated in northeast trade wind zone, and this trade wind continue throughout the year. The total amount of precipitation in country is 1194 mm. Total rainfall generated volume in India is 400 million hectare. Average rainy days in a country is 103 days per year. Rainy days means more than 2.5 mm rains during 24 hours is known as rainy days. First is southwest monsoon. Southwest monsoon reaches South India at coast of Kerala around 1st June of every year, and the middle of July it covers whole India under grip of rainfall. Its withdrawal starts from western Rajasthan in 1st September to complete withdrawal from whole country by 15 October. It moves average speed of 30 km per hour, and it is called grand period of rainfall in India. It contributes around more than 75% of total rainfall in India. In Tamil Nadu, the concentration is only 20-40% during southwest monsoon, since most of the rainfall is received during northeast monsoon. In Jammu Kashmir, the concentration of rainfall during southwest monsoon is 30 to 50%, and remaining portion is fulfilled from western disturbance during November to April. Southwest monsoon has two branches. First is Arabian Sea branches. It contributes 770 mm rainfall and 80% of southwest monsoon, and this moved northward in New Delhi. Second is Bay of Bengal. It contributes 340 mm rainfall, and it contributes about 20% of total southwest monsoon and is moved up to Assam. Second, northeast monsoon. Northeast monsoon is onset at about 15 October, and it is limited mostly to southern state AP and Tamil Nadu, and withdrawal almost by mid-December. Tamil Nadu get highest annual rainfall in northeast monsoon followed by Andhra Pradesh. This monsoon is also known as retreating monsoon. It contributes about 50%, 15% of total rainfall in India, 75% southwest monsoonમાંથી. એના પછી નેક્સ્ટ કોન્સેપ્ટ છે વેસ્ટર્ન ડિસ્ટર્બન્સ. It moves from west to its east direction. It is defined as a low pressure or cyclonic circulation in the wind above the surface which move from western country to Himalaya mountain J&K. December to March is the main period when western disturbance carry rainfall in north and central India, which are very useful for rabi crop, and in Rajasthan it is locally called Mawat. El Nino is a phenomena that lead rise to the ocean temperature, start from coast of Peru, and the effect in Indian monsoon, consequent dry weather and drought. A river which utilizes maximum flow of rainfall is Ganga. Next, artificial rainmaking or cloud seeding. The application of foreign material to cloud to induce precipitation is called cloud seeding. Cloud seeding, a silver iodine or dry ice is applied at 1 nuclei for liter of cloud air. In a dynamic cloud seeding, a massive quantity 100 થી 1000 nuclear for liter of cloud air are applied. Warm cloud generally use sodium chloride NaCl. કોલ્ડ સીડેડ હોય તો સિલ્વર આયોડાઇન અથવા ડ્રાય આઇસ, અને વાર્મ ક્લાઉડ હોય તો NaCl. Weather forecasting. Short range weather forecasting less than 3 days or up to 72 hours. Medium range forecasting 3 થી 10 દિવસ. Long range forecasting more than 10 years, more than 10 days. 3 દિવસથી નીચે હોય તો શોર્ટ ડે, મીડિયમ હોય તો 3 થી 10 અને લોંગ રેન્જ હોય તો more than 10 days. The short range forecasting is issued twice a day, is specially varied for 36 hours. The long range forecasts issued thrice in a year and are useful for choosing cropping pattern. The prediction of monsoon is based on statistical observation of long range forecasting, while synoptic method of forecasting is used for short range forecast. NCMRWF, National Center for Medium Range Forecasting, located at New Delhi. Next is a property of water. Latent heat of vaporization 580 calorie per gram at 0 degree Celsius. Heat of sublimation is 680 calorie per gram at 0 degree Celsius. Heat of fusion is 80 calorie per gram at 0 degree Celsius. Highest density of water at 4 degree Celsius. Water expand on freezing 9% by volume. Dielectric constant of water is -80. Water has highest specific heat 1 calorie per gram of any known substance except liquid ammonia. It have 1.03 calorie per gram. Waterlogging, a situation where all the pores, both macro and micro, are filled with water temporarily or permanently, is known as water lodging. Demerit of water lodging: it reduces ODR, oxygen diffusion rate. Reduce EH means redox potential. EH of well aerated soil is 400 થી 700 ME. EH of waterlogged soil is -250 થી -300 MB. Denitrification loss more in waterlogged soil. In submerged rice, SO4 are reduced to sulfide, that is further reduced to H2S. This cause Akiochi disease in rice due to toxicity of H2S. Approach of irrigation scheduling. First is transpiration approach. Transpiration ratio approach: the amount of water transpired by a crop to produce unit amount of dry matter. This is known as absolute approach. Second, soil moisture deficit approach. For maize and wheat, it is 25% depletion of available soil moisture. For drought resistance crop, it is 50% depletion of available soil moisture. Next is climatologically approach or IW upon CPE approach, known as soil moisture index approach. The ratio IW upon CPE serves as soil moisture trace index. Lower the ratio will more trace. It is scientific approach but not practical utility. Critical stage approach: it is trait rate growth when plants are more sensitive to shortage of water and more responsive to correction of deficiency. Critical stage approach IW upon CPE રેશિયોમાં સૌથી વધુ હાઈએસ્ટ IW upon CPE રેશિયો છે રાઇઝનો છે 1.2 and લોએસ્ટ છે સેફ્લાવરનો છે 0.4%. રાઇઝના ક્રિટિકલ સ્ટેજમાં બુટિંગ, પેનિકલ ઇનિશિએશન એન્ડ ફ્લાવરિંગ. વીટમાં CRI, ટિલરિંગ, જોઇન્ટિંગ, ફ્લાવરિંગ, મિલ્કિંગ એન્ડ ડફ સ્ટેજ. મેઇઝમાં ટેસલિંગ અને સિલ્કિંગ. કોટનમાં ફ્લાવરિંગ, બોલ ફોર્મેશન. ગ્રામમાં પ્રી ફ્લાવરિંગ અને પોડ ફોર્મેશન. ગ્રાઉન્ડનટમાં ફ્લાવરિંગ, પેગિંગ એન્ડ પોડ ફિલિંગ. પિજન પી ફ્લાવર ઇનિશિએશન અને પોડ ફોર્મેશન. સેફ ફ્લાવરમાં ફ્લાવર ઇનિશિએશન. મોસ્ટ વીટનું પૂછાય છે. વીટ માટે છે CRI. These are the percentage irrigated and water requirement of major field crop. શુગર કેન માટે છે 1500 થી 2500 mm, વીટ માટે 650 થી 800 mm, રાઈઝ માટે 1500 mm, ઓઇલ સીડ માટે 500 થી 700 mm પલ્સેસ માટે 450 થી 700 mm. These are measurement of irrigation water. 1 cubic is equal to 28.3 લીટર. 1 cubic is equal to 1000 લીટર or 1/1 to the power 3. 1 hectare mm is equal to 10,000 લીટર. 1 hectare mm is equal to 1 hectare centimeter is equal to 1 લાખ લીટર and 1 hectare meter is equal to 10 લાખ લીટર. સૌથી પહેલા 1 ક્યુસેક ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 28.3 લીટર. 1 ક્યુમેક ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 1000 લીટર. 1 હેક્ટર mm ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 10,000 લીટર. 1 હેક્ટર સેન્ટીમીટર ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 1 લાખ લીટર. 1 હેક્ટર મીટર ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 10 લાખ લીટર. મેઝરમેન્ટ ઓફ વોટર હાઇટ. 1 એટમોસ્ફિયર ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 1036 સેન્ટીમીટર ઓફ વોટર કોલમ. 1 બાર ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 1023 સેન્ટીમીટર ઓફ વોટર column. Conversion of unit. 1 acre is equal to 0.4 hectare. 1 hectare is equal to 2.47 acre. Ploughing classification according to Crida Hyderabad. Shallow root હોય તો એની ડેપ્થ હોય 5 થી 6 સેન્ટીમીટર, મીડિયમ હોય તો 15 થી 20 સેન્ટીમીટર અને ડીપ ટીલેજ હોય તો 25 થી 30 સેન્ટીમીટર. Watershed management. It may be natural unit of land was runoff collect and flow out of the area through single common outlet into river and other water body is known as watershed. Classification of watershed. Mini watershed જ્યારે 10 થી 100 હેક્ટર એરિયા હોય ત્યારે મિની વોટરશેડ કહેવાય. 100 થી 1000 હેક્ટર એરિયા then it is micro watershed. 1000 થી 10,000 હેક્ટર એરિયા then it is milli watershed. 10,000 થી 50,000 હેક્ટર એરિયા then it is sub macro watershed. and more than 50,000 હેક્ટર એરિયા હોય ત્યારે એને મેક્રો વોટરશેડ કહેવામાં આવે છે. થેન્ક યુ. નેક્સ્ટ યુનિટ ઇરિગેશન we cover in next video.